Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about BIOCYTOGEN-B interim report. BIOCYTOGEN Pharmaceuticals offers a range of innovative antibody-based drugs for various indications. The company's pipeline includes YHONE, a recombinant humanized anticytotoxic T-lymphocyte-associated protein 4-immunoglobulin-GON, IgG-GON, monoclonal antibody for advanced solid tumors. YH3, a humanized IgG2 agonistic monoclonal antibody for unresectable/metastatic mucosal melanoma and pancreatic duct adenocarcinoma, as well as solid tumors. YH2, a recombinant humanized IgG-GON antibody targeting the human tumor necrosis factor receptor superfamily, member 4 receptor. YH4, a humanized anti-4 tumor necrosis factor receptor superfamily, member 9 IgG-GON antibody for advanced solid tumors and relapsed/refractory non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. YHEIT, an anti-PD-1X cluster of differentiation 40, CD40 bispecific antibody for solid tumors. Additionally, the company has preclinical candidates including YH12 and YH13, fully human anti-ARTWO/TRO-P2 bispecific antibody drugs conjugate for various indications. YH15, a fully human IgG-GON antagonistic monoclonal antibody targeting CD40. YH16 and YH17, two novel molecules. The company collaborates with Synchromune, Inc., Remegen Co., Ltd., and Chipscreen Newway Biosciences to develop and commercialize its products. The skyrocketing stock price of BIOCYTOGEN-B, a year of breakthroughs over the past year. BIOCYTOGEN-B TICS HKEX 2315 stock price has skyrocketed due to a series of significant developments in drug development, strategic partnerships, and financial performance. The company's approval for a share issuance on the Shanghai Star Market, global licensing agreements with B1 Medicines and Tubulize, and an expanded partnership with Merck have all contributed to its growth. A key factor behind BIOCYTOGEN-B TICS' success is its ability to form strategic partnerships that accelerate innovative drug development. The company's collaboration with Merck, for instance, has led to the evaluation of fully human antibodies developed using BIOCYTOGEN's proprietary RenMice platform. This partnership underscores the international competitiveness of BIOCYTOGEN's technology. In addition to these partnerships, BIOCYTOGEN-B has also reported a strong financial turnaround in YHONE 2025, with a 51.3% increase in revenue and a successful transition from loss to profit. These developments have collectively driven a substantial increase in the company's stock price over the past year. The primary drivers of revenue growth and decline can be summarized as follows. Revenue growth drivers. The company's revenue has grown significantly due to its overseas business expansion, recovery of the domestic biopharmaceutical industry, increased R&D investment and efficiency, launching innovative products, and global layout. Additionally, the rapid expansion of proprietary RenMice-based platforms, generation of promising antibody drug molecules, and transfer or co-development deals with partners have contributed to revenue growth. Revenue decline drivers. The main driver of revenue decline is the decrease in interest income and net foreign exchange gain. Furthermore, a 17.1% decrease in preclinical pharmacology revenue and a 35.6% decrease in antibody drugs development revenue have also contributed to the decline. Net income and profit margins. A year of growth and improvement, the company's net income has experienced a significant turnaround, exceeding last year's full-year level and turning profitable from a loss in the same period. This growth can be attributed to substantial sales increases, driven by strong recognition by domestic and international customers, successful expansion of proprietary platforms, and effective R&D strategies. Profit margins have also remained high, with gross profit margins for preclinical products and services business at approximately 70% and antibody discovery business at around 90%. These high margins are a result of the company's ability to quickly launch innovative products and services, meet emerging market demand, and maintain effective cost control and operational efficiency. The increase in net income and profit margins can be attributed to several factors. Strong R&D investment and innovation in areas such as bispecific antibodies, ADCs, and nanobodies have enabled the company to develop new products and services that are in high demand. Additionally, collaborations with pharmaceutical partners have led to higher upfront payments, milestone payments, and royalties. Overall, the company's net income and profit margins have shown significant improvement, driven by a combination of strong R&D investment, effective cost control, and successful partnerships with pharmaceutical companies. The company is generating a significant positive operating cash flow of RMB 203,434. This consistent figure across multiple pages and years indicates a stable financial performance, demonstrating the company's ability to generate sufficient cash from its core operations. The company's debt level and interest expenses have undergone some changes. Notably, there is no explicit mention of a change in debt level on page 7 or 47. However, it is mentioned that capital commitments outstanding at June 30, 2025, amount to RMB 38,532. Regarding interest expenses, the company has experienced a plus 2.1% increase from 2024 to 2025. The interest expense for 2025 stands at RMB 8,405,000 compared to RMB 8,228,000 in 2024. Additionally, the 6 months ended June 30, 2025, saw an interest expense of RMB 1661, down from RMB 18,200 during the same period in 2024. Overall, while there is no clear indication of a significant change in debt level, the company's interest expenses have increased by plus 2.1% year-over-year. The company's financial performance varied across different segments and regions in the reporting period. Notably, preclinical research services and products saw rapid sales revenue growth with higher profit levels, while overseas markets experienced significant sales growth. In contrast, some segments underperformed. Antibody development and innovative drug development lagged behind 2024's results, while other segment revenues plummeted to RMB 26, a substantial decrease from the previous year. Additionally, preclinical pharmacology and gene editing saw declines of 17.1% and 15.6%, respectively. The domestic market and BIOCYTOGEN Pharmaceuticals, Beijing Co., Ltd., did not provide specific information on their performance in the reporting period. Management is optimistic about the company's future prospects, citing several key strategies that will drive growth and success. The company plans to continue expanding into overseas markets, focusing on innovation and high-quality products, and investing in research and development (R&D) to stay ahead of the competition. A global layout is seen as a key advantage, providing resilience and risk resistance, while lean management practices are being implemented to improve operational efficiency. The company also aims to become a global leader in new drugs, with a vision to develop innovative products and services that meet growing demand. In terms of partnerships, the company intends to proactively explore and build strategic alliances to increase success probability and maximize clinical and commercial value. This includes developing preclinical drug molecules through collaborations. Financially, the company has reported strong revenue growth, increasing by 51.4% to RMB 620,963,000, with a positive outlook expected for future periods. Overall, management is confident in the company's ability to deliver long-term success and value creation. The company's financial summary reveals that it has taken 2 significant steps to reward its shareholders. Firstly, the company paid dividends, indicating a commitment to distributing profits among its investors. Secondly, it bought back shares, which can be seen as a strategic move to increase shareholder value and potentially boost stock prices. That concludes the financial summary for BIOCYTOGEN-B. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.